Let's assemble a Stellar Falcon 2.0. Remove all pinch clips from the box. With a friend, carefully lift the Stellar Falcon out of the box and set it down gently on a flat surface. Inside the box, there will be a smaller box with an assortment of accessories, tools, and more. You will find a bag, a front light, pedals, instruction manual, charger, and tools. Using a snipper, cut all the zip ties around the front wheel. Then set the front wheel on the side. Proceed cutting all the zip ties around the bike while removing the protective foam. With a 4mm Allen key, remove the 4 bolts on the stem. Place the handlebar in between the stem and the stem cover, then tighten down the bolts in a star-shaped pattern. Remove the fender from the front wheel. When removing the axle covers from the wheel, be sure that the cone spacers did not come off with it. They should be snug on the hub. With a 6mm Allen key, remove the front axle. Have a friend lift the front end of the bike so you can align the hub with the fork. Once aligned, reinsert the axle and tighten it. With a 4mm Allen key, remove the 3 bolts behind the fork. Grab your front fender and remove the packaging. Slide the fender until the holes aligns with the fender inserts behind the fork. Retighten all of the bolts onto the fork. For the pedals, be sure to look at the tip of the axle. L is for the left side and R is for the right side. When installing the left pedal, use a 15mm wrench and tighten the axle counterclockwise. When installing the right pedal, tighten the axle clockwise. To adjust your seat post height, flip the quick release lever. Set your desired height and retighten the lever. To install the front light, find the cable with a red tip under the stem and align the cable from the light. Loosen the mount on the light with a 3mm Allen key and pull it over the handlebar, then retighten it. And that's it. Your Stellar Falcon 2.0 is now ready to ride.